It's FriYAY Friday! Okay, today we are going to try and do a challenge on Zoom. As you can see, Nikki is having some connection problems, so she might join us in a little bit. But we're going to play a bit of a game. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send through to each of you one at a time something that I want you to make the noise of. And then the other person is going to try and work out what it is you're making the noise from. I'm not able to do it because I'm sending you through what they are. So it is just at the moment down to the two of you. So we'll see how you do. So Gemma, to start with. So it's going to come through now. Okay, Gemma, off you go.
Kettle. A boiling pan.
Something to do with hot water?
Making a cup of tea.
How's that not boiling?
I guess it can be an
What else do you
electronic
boil?
one, Gemma.
Okay. Beep, 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 beep.
Car
Alarm
reversing.
clock? Alarm clock.
Close.
Timer.
Close.
A water
An
Timer.
iron.
What did you say, Rebecca?
sand timer.
Yeah, almost, almost. Another word for sand.
Egg timer.
Yeah.
I'm already sending one to you, Rebecca, I'm afraid.
No. Okay. I don't know what noise they make.
Really? All right, I'll send you through another one. You can tell everyone what it was.
It was a didgeridoo.
Something like that.
Okay. Oh, that's good, Darren. That's good.
Like
That
that.
is good.
Here you go, Rebecca. There's another one.
How am I supposed to make the noise for it?
That's what you got to work
I'm not
out.
very good at making noises. Darren, this is really hard. Oh, I don't know, Darren.
Well, I'll take this one on then. Okay. Click, 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 click,
Typewriter.
click, click.
Computer.
Computer. Train.
Woo!
Train. A steam train. Steam
No.
train.
Printer.
A chicken.
No, something that's getting faster and then slower.
Woo! Hey, hooray! Woo! Ah.
Oh, a roller coaster.
Yes. Roller
Yay!
coaster.
Oh, Nikki.
Okay, I'll give Rebecca a break. I'll send one to Nikki.
Yeah. Okay. Pop. Pop, pop, pop.
Popcorn. Popcorn maker.
No. What did you say, Rebecca?
Popcorn.
Oh. Pop. Pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop.
Whack-a-mole.
No. Pop.
Balloons popping.
Pop.
Oh, like like that insulating foam type thing, bubble wrap.
Yes. Well done. Bubble wrap.
Well done, Gemma. Okay, Rebecca, it's your chance to redeem yourself. You've got 3 to choose from.
Okay. Click, click, click. Oh, that's a really bad sound. No idea what that is myself.
I know what 3 I gave you, and I can't even work out which one you're doing.
I know what I'm trying to do, but my mouth isn't going to make the right sound. Click, click, click. No,
Like a whisk. Electric whisk.
no,
Lawnmower.
no.
Click,
I'll have to do it again, Rebecca.
Okay. Click, click, click.
It's an
Sorry?
electrical appliance.
A microwave is what it's actually trying to be, but it's not supposed to be a microwave.
Toaster.
No.
Do it again.
Click, click, click.
Washing machine.
So there are our 4 attempts at doing some sounds. Why don't you have a go at doing some sounds with your friends and see if they can guess what you are? See you soon.